What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a card trick where you can make the spectator's card jump from one packet to another. Let's do it. Now check this out. I'll allow the spectator to go through this packet and select any card they want. Let's just say they select this card right here. Take a look and remember that card. And once that card's remembered, I'll just take it, place it randomly into the center of the deck, and just give it a quick shuffle. Nothing too insane. Now from here, I'll actually break it down into two smaller packets, and I'll go through all the cards. And if you see your card, don't say anything. If you don't see your card, also don't say anything. So, key is, don't say anything. So we have the Jack of Hearts, we have the King of Hearts, we have the Four of Diamonds, and we have the Six of Spades. Now I'll take these cards, I'll place them right here, and I'll put this box right on top of them so I can't get to them. Right? So now I have a couple of cards here as well. We have Two of Diamonds, Seven of Clubs, Eight of Clubs, and the Ace of Diamonds. Right? So now I'll take all these cards and I'll put them right here. Now I'll ask the spectator which pile was their card in. Right, hopefully the spectator says that pile. So now check this out. I'll take a card from this pile. It should be the spectator's card. And I'll turn it face up and throw it into this pile right here. So now if we take a look, this pile is down to just 3 cards. And now if we take a look into this pile has 5 cards with 1 card that's turned over. And that 1 card is the spectator's card, the King of Hearts. Now breaking this trick down, it's really simple to do. You only need 8 random cards from the deck. It's completely impromptu, so you can perform it anytime, anywhere, any place. So, you get your 8 cards and have a spectator select any card they want. Now I like to have them select the cards with them, they can see what card they want to select, I guess just so it shows the spectator that all the cards are different. But of course you want to do like a normal selection or any kind of like riffle selection, whatever you want to do, just have a spectator select 1 card, right? So let's say they selected the Four of Diamonds. Now you want to place the Four of Diamonds 5th card from the top of the deck. So the way I usually do this is I kind of go into a rush saying just place the card anywhere you want into the deck. So it's just, okay, there you go, place the card there. So I go here, I usually open this wide, and I allow the spectator to place that card there, right? So if I seem like I'm in a hurry, just place the card anywhere without really looking where you're placing the card, then they'll place it in the location you want. But if you do something like this, where you still have that gap, but say place the card anywhere you want, then they could actually place it anywhere they want, and that would be an issue, right? So again, you make it seem like a rush, say just hurry up and place the card somewhere, have that biggest gap open right there, and 9 times out of 10, they're going to place the card right there. Right, so boom, you place that card right there, 5th card from the top. Right, there it is, Four of Diamonds. So from there, you square it up and do an overhand shuffle. So the way we're going to do the overhand shuffle, we're going to start peeling off 1 card at a time. So first time we do it, we're going to peel off 3 cards, 1 at a time. So 1, 2, 3, throw the rest of the deck on top, boom. And we're going to do 1 more overhand shuffle, but this time we're going to do it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Throw the rest of the cards on top. Boom, and you're all set to go. So from here, you tell the spectator you're going to split the packet into 2 even packets. So you have 4 cards here, 4 cards here. Now you take the bottom packet, turn it face up on top of the original top packet. So you go from there to there. So now you'll see the spectator selection will always be the 2nd card from the top face up. Okay, so now you start showing the spectator that you're just going to show them a bunch of cards, and for them to not say anything if they see their card. So you say you have the Jack of Hearts. You hold this packet in a Biddle grip like this, and you start peeling off cards 1 at a time. So you peel off, you say Jack of Hearts. You see the spectator's card, you peel off Four of Diamonds. And now the second I peel off the spectator's card, I grab a pinky break right underneath it, and you'll see why that's important in a second. And then you say Six of Spades, you start peeling that off, and as you peel that off, you're actually going to grab this Four of Diamonds from the bottom right here, right? So as you're peeling, you start peeling, you use your thumb, your thumb that's holding the packet in a Biddle grip. You're going to use that. You're going to grab that 4 of diamonds from the bottom, right? So we're here. You're going to come over like this, grab that 4 of diamonds with your thumb as you peel off the top card here, right? So now the 4 of diamonds is actually right here, right? Let me do that one more time. So you say I have Jack of Hearts, peel, 4 of diamonds, peel, get the pinky break, 6 of spades, peel, transfer that card over, and then you have that last card, 7 of clubs, peel, and there you go. So now you actually only have 3 cards in this packet here, while the spectator is going to think it's 4. So you take this, you put it down here. Now, one thing that I like to do is I like to put the deck box over the cards just so they don't look too closely to the cards and see that they're actually not 3 cards, because the thickness level of the cards will be a little bit different. So I just like to boom, put that on there and, you know, have them not focus on that anymore. So now this pile now has 5 cards, along with the bottom card being the spectator's card. So what I do one more overhand shuffle, except this time I only peel off 2 cards. So I do 1, 2, throw the rest of the cards on top. Now from here, I do an Ascanio spread. If you don't know how to do that, I made a video tutorial on it. I'll put the link on the screen and in the description so you can go check that out. But all you're pretty much doing is, again, you're going to the Biddle grip right here. You're going to peel off that front card. You're going to go out and down. You use these fingers back here to pull out this card. You go out, and then you have 3 cards displaying, and then you're going to use that last ring finger, pull out that card, and boom. You're showing these 4 cards here. And in actuality, the spectator's card is hidden right here behind that ace of diamonds. So if you actually take a look, right behind the ace of diamonds, we have the 4 diamonds. Again, that's just a really quick tutorial. If you want the full tutorial, just check out the video that I was talking about like a minute ago. So boom, you show that to the spectator. You also put that right here face down. So now here I ask the spectator which packet they've seen their cards in, either this packet or this packet. And as I'm doing that, I just take that out of the way, bring my hand over, and they usually, of course, 99.99999% of the time say in that packet. So from here, it's pretty much how you want to showcase it to the spectator. So the way I like to do it is I like to pretend that I'm taking out an imaginary card, boom, turning it over, and inserting it right into this packet here. So the first thing I reveal is the packet with 3 cards. Just to, you know, build up to the effect. So boom, you show 3 cards. The spectator is actually taking a look that the card is not in there. Push that over to the side. You come here. I turn this packet face up, and then I spread it out, just to show, just to, you know, maintain that mystery of what that card is. Again, building to that effect. And then I allow the spectator to pull that card out themselves, take a look at it, and then they see it's their card, the 4 of diamonds. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go check out my Patreon page to help support my channel, because your support really means a lot to me. So I'll put the link to that in the description, and also in the description it's a link to all my social media, so you can follow me on there for my pictures, videos, status updates, and all that kind of good stuff. So all that being said, I will see you in the next video. Oh wow, you guys are still here. I need to start leaving some prizes or something, because why else would you stay here this long? But in the meantime, like, share, subscribe, because if you do, you are awesome. Thanks for watching.